Hi everybody, it's Chartsky here with another video from the live trading room on July 7th, 2015. And I've been wondering what to show you all. Maybe just the best trade every day, but that gets kind of boring. Anybody can do that. Not that there's anything wrong with it, but I try and show you new things and different things. We've seen what you do when you lose, but what happens when you start down too? And that's what happened to us today. As you can see, after 9 o'clock, the price in crude oil was pretty choppy and whippy. We tried to sell and we lost 10 ticks, and then we turned around and tried to buy and we lost 20 ticks. So I have rules for just about everything that I've developed throughout the years, and we applied those rules. And here's what happened later on in the live trading room. Okay, we missed the move up. Let's see if we can't get in around 60. 30, 50, and 60 ticks coming down, and we may have to drop it. 50 is my lowest. Let's come on down here to, let's just get in at 50. It may turn down really strong and hard. 30, 50, and 60 ticks. Well, this would be great, wouldn't it? We already came out of the hole. Made it back here, got up 91 ticks on the day, but if we can add on here, this would be really good. Could come back to the entry. We don't want to give up a great trade here on whip. Just remember, we're not going to let it hit 25 ticks, but we need that much room to maybe manage the trade. $30, $50, and $60 ticks is what we're looking for on targets here. Naturally, we'll trail when the time's right. There's a good push. All right, now we'll go to +1 on everything. $30, $50, and $60 ticks, and we'll be trailing. All right, we got the first part off. Oops, sorry about that. Got the chart off centered. I'm going to bring up that last one to 51 ticks. So 30, 50, 51. It could go down there and retest lows. I don't think it will, though. If it had turned down stronger in the first place, I may be willing to leave it down there or even extend it, but not now. So we'll lock in 10 ticks on the trailing position. Already got 60 more ticks, so we're up 150 on the day, a little bit above, and that's great. If you want to go for the longer targets, then you need to just be at +1 to protect your entry. I'm just going to try and milk this one right quick. A little profit taken on this last move down. That's fine. That's normal. It could turn up. That's why we're trailing, to lock in some profit. When you're trailing, it's more an art than a science. There's no formula. You just have to kind of know where the market should get to and where it shouldn't get to. And of course, we go over this in the one-on-one training, so let's get a push. Come on, push it down. Looking for 50 ticks, 1551 on the last part of this position. Turn a potentially disastrous morning into a really nice morning. And you have losers. I mean, there's no way to avoid losers. So it's what you do after the losers. I'm going to go ahead and lock in another 5 ticks. So we got 15 locked in. Looking for a nice, strong turn down. If we don't get it, that's all right. We got 15 on the last 2 and a good profitable morning. Remember, if you're really going for big targets on these last 2, you want to just be at +1. Yeah, it's going to hit us, looks like. Yep, that's all right. Could turn all the way up now. Whoops. So this is another 60 ticks. Oh, wait a minute. $91 ticks on that trade. Grand total of 151 ticks on the morning. There we go. So see, it could come all the way back up. We took our lock in and worked in our favor. And actually, I was wrong. That last trade was 90 ticks, so we were up 181 ticks for the day after starting in a pretty good sized hole in the opening range whip. Here's the CFTC disclaimer. It's very important and I urge you to read it. And you can join us tomorrow if you want to or want more information. Please go to my blog at www.chartsky.com or send me an email to chartskytrades@gmail.com. And thanks for watching.